see.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
So starting from the Slack space, and just repeat briefly on. No, this is not. Sorry.
Great. So it's open source,
Slack, you mean?
this whole thing.
Yeah, is open source and is all based on open tools like Slack.
Great. But it's public?
For now, no, it's just addressed from the people that decide to join. So
Okay.
we ask the people to join to the group, and
then you
they can
share
join. They can join, and we share, of course, the issues and so on.
Great.
The Facebook page and the group and the community indeed are open source in the sense that all the people can join. For the joining in the organization group, of course, we ask the people to join the organizational group, the coordination group, we call that.
Sure.
And we do that by this engaging form. Then I will show you again. But okay, this is the main interface of Slack. As I said, we have different channels, one for each working group. We have, I don't remember the number, but just briefly explain. The backend group is the more nerdy one, related to website, more hardwares and like backbone softwares and so on. The coordination group is the general group for coordination. The empathy facilitation is the working group addressed to create empathy inside the group and also in the following step to organize the facilitation of the conference.
Great.
The front end is more on external communication related to social media and stuff like this, like, I don't know, how to write post, how to organize the communication strategy on social media and so on. General group is the general group, so is a general channel that we use to like send up the general message. For example, here we post about the meetings and whatever.
Amazing.
Logistic is more like organization. For example, the logistic group now is very working on the structure of the conference, what's needed, the tools that are needed, and so on. Media press are media press, so like in the communication, the writing like a press release and so on. Presentation is related to present yourself. If you join the space and you want to present, you are here the space. And global relationship, so relationship with the entities that are more on the global level, local relationship more on the local level. And She-Tech, of course, we have also a group that deals with scientific basis and more theoretical things related to the forum. As I will say, that we have also an email that is climatesocial.forum2020@gmail.com, and a shared Google space for like working group and so on. And as I was mentioning that we were like working on this framework to organize the conference that was based on climate action tracks. We also say path because we are trying to develop also other paths that are not included in the climate action tracks framework. For example, health or social issues or education, properly education specifically. And for each of them, we are like finding out the description, the main themes, and so on. And at the end, we also working on atomic like organization of the conference. So which type of conference conference can be possible on the organization. I don't know, vertical conference, roundtable, keynote, and whatever. And how to organize that, which is the structure, which is the tool that we use, and so on and so forth. That's it. Yes, the very last thing, and then just closing up with the presentation of the initiative. We have also two mailing lists. The coordination group and the update group. So the coordination group is an internal mailing list for the ones that want to join the organization, the coordination group. And the updates indeed is more for the people that want to follow the thing, but they want to be updated constantly about the progression of the initiative and so on. But for now, maybe they don't want to be engaged totally in the organization and so on. Lots of people also say to us that they are interested in the initiative, but they maybe not have time in this moment. They can have time in the following step, but they want to be connected and follow up, and so they are there.
Awesome.
Yeah, the working groups, I didn't say, very important. No, I just say, no, the working groups I just mentioned. That was another thing that I was, yeah, okay, the contacts, so the engaging forms. We are creating these forms in Google to engage the volunteers, association, and also sponsor, both in Italian and English. You, for example, compile the English version, of course, of for engaging. And we ask here if they want to be part of the organizational group, if they want to I just open the volunteer one. Yeah, a brief explanation of the initiative, just name, surname, general data, and they want to be part of, and at which level, and in which channels. And that's it. So this is the main presentation of the initiative. So thank you first of all for joining and also following up. And maybe Moran, if you have some question on that, we also can share with
No, the only question I would ask is how can I join? And you just told me. It's very clear, and I'm very much looking forward to the outcomes of this existing, and being a participant. And I think many good things will come from this. And thank you for being, all of you who put it together already, for taking the initiative.
Oh, thank you very much. And okay, so thank you for joining, and I hope that this web talk is registered and can also be useful for other volunteers. For any, yeah, go ahead.
What would you like people to do with this now that they've seen it, once they've seen this and been introduced? To join, to pass it on, to invite other people to be involved?
Yeah, of course. The thing, at this stage, I think the very interesting thing is to also join, for example, for elaborate the structure and so on. On that, we are working, and I just say that to find a way to let different language speaking volunteers interact together in the same platform, because as I said, we started as an Italian group of volunteers, but we also want to engage in international level. And of course, we can speak English. Some of us can speak English, some other a little, but we are trying to find like automatic translation to like let collaborate in the same way the volunteers, and it will be a very nice thing if we can reach that. We are almost there, and
Great.
so first of all, of course, join to if you have inputs, if you have ideas, and so on. Pass the voice and be engaged in the community. Now, as I said, we have the community, and the community is open also to, I don't know, post initiative, say we are here, we have this reality, the association that we do that, we want to be part of, and so on. And in the moment of the conference, on the forum, of course, participate, because that will be the very moment where we like give fruits to our work, I can say, no?
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you to you. For anything, okay, we have the common chat to interact and so on. I was thinking also to introduce you to some working groups, also in Slack, so we can also try to, if at the level that you want to work on that, of course, to let you be part of some groups, also in Slack, so you can start to interact also with other volunteers and so on. And what else? For any other thing, we have this email that I'll show again.
Thank you for
Right on, and of course the chat that we are using to communicate, share, and whatever.
amazing. I can't wait, and thank you for the honor. Really, it's wonderful to even know that this exists, and I can't wait to be part of it more and tell the world about it. Really,
Yeah,
we
of
need
course,
to.
and of course, if you are keen to engage also other people, really, we are open here. It's a climate social forum for all the reality of the association, the environmental world, and so on. And of course, we are inclusive to get get them on board.
Amazing. I can't wait.
Okay.
Grazie.
Thanks to you, and okay.